Hi children, welcome to your home school. This is your next session of Mathematics Basics. In this session, we are going to learn about factors. Factors is very important in order to find any algebraic equation or splitting of an equation or finding the terms. This is the basic thing we should know. Okay, look here children, what are factors of a number? So for a particular number, what are all the multiples we can divide or with what we multiply are all called as the factors of a given number. So here first let us see what is a factor. Factors are the numbers you multiply together to get another number. Exact, or we can say that it is an exact divisor of the number. So here children, what is a factor? Suppose I will say you any number 12, I'll say. In what table you may get this 12, I'll ask. So you might be perfect with all tables, right? One person will say that, ma'am, 12 can be divisible by 1. You will say, yes, it's correct. Another will say, ma'am, in 2 table we get 2 6 are 12. Yes, that is also right. Another person, 3 4s are 12. That is also right. Then another 4 3s are 12. So here, look here. See how many persons are saying the answers. Look here. And one more person will say, ma'am, it will be coming in 6 table, 6 2s are 12. Another 12 table, I have seen, ma'am, 12 1s are 12. So here, what a child should understand here, where you come across in your tables, you should remember. So, in what table you have seen, that number is nothing but the factor. So, let's see here a small number. Let's start with a small number. What are all the factors we are going to write? Any number, let's take 8. Okay, what are all the factors we are going to write here? So, for that, I will write 1 to some numbers I'll take here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's all. Okay, let's check it out. Which one is a factor? Look here. 1. Is 1 a factor of 8? In one table, have you seen 8? Yes, 1 8s are 8. Therefore, what you can say, children? 1 is a factor. So, let's round it up. Now, see the 2 table here. 2 table, where you get this 8? 2 4s are 8. So, in 2 table also, I am getting this 8. So, it is also a factor. Now, look here. In 3 table, anyway you get 8? No, you won't get. So, 3 is not a factor of 8. Next, see other number 4. 4 table, have you come across anywhere this 8? Yes, 4 2s are 8. So round up. This is a factor of 8. And next, 5 table. No, we won't see any 8 in that table. Next, 6. No. 7. No. 8. Yes, 8 1s are 8. So what do you say here, children? So now let's write the factors of 8. What are the factors of 8, children? Factors of 8 are, see here, what are all the factors of 8? 1, 2, 4 and 8. See here, these 4 numbers are the factors of 8. Shall we see another example here? Let's take any other number. Which number shall we take here, children? You may take any big number or small number you can take. So let me go for 84. Okay, 84 we have to see. So how to see a 2-digit number? It's also simple. Don't be panic. So no need of writing up to 84 tables. So how to see this? So just some numbers we are going to see orally here. 0 is not a factor of any number, right? 1 is a factor of every number, right? So 1 is a factor, right? Then coming to 2, just observe here, children, what I do. 84 divided by 2. Do you remember this? So how do you divide this one? 2 4s are 8. So 8 minus 8, 0. Then drag this number down. 2 2s are 4. So what happened here? If you get exact 0 as a reminder, then it is a factor you have to think. See, 2 table where you get this one, children? 2 table 42 times 2, you will get 84. So I will write it here. 2 is a factor. So next 3. How do you see 3? See children, for every number division is difficult. Okay. Or the division also one more method you have. Shall we see that division? Then in that division all types of multiples you can see. So here, look here. 84. This is one method of doing division. Suppose any number you may take here. So let me start with 2. 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. Every digit you have to see with what number it will be divisible. Okay. So now, again 42, 2 table. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Now, stop here children. Now 21 is not divisible by 2. But you know where you get here? Yes, 3 7s are 21. Write it here. 3 7s are 21. And again 7 1s are 7. See here, when you are writing 84 factors, 1 is a factor, right? And 2 already you have written. Then 2 into 2, you can say it as a 4 is a factor. So again, 5 is not a factor. See here, any number there or not, you have to check out here children. How do you check here? If you multiply these numbers, you get the next number or not, check it out. 3 2s are 6. Yes, 6 is a factor. Then 7 is a factor. Then 8, do you have 8 here? 2 2s are 4 only, 8 not there. So 9 not there. 10 not there. 11, 12. See here, yes, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. Okay, then still what you have here? If you want, you can see here 7 is a factor, 21 is a factor, 42 is a factor. This all also you can write here children. That is 12, 21, 42 and 84 is a factor of 84. See here children, 84 ones are 84. 84 also factor of the given number. So how to write the factors here? Observe carefully. Either this method you can go or this method. This method means you'll be doing many divisions. So no need of that. You can go this division method. How do you do this division children? Every number, see full complete number, it should be divisible if you take a number. So with 2 I have done again 2, again 3, 7 like this. So after completing your division, so see here, start from your number 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 will be there for every number. 1 is a factor of every number. So now 2, yes, 3 not there, 3 there, no here, sorry. 3 also there here, we did not write here. Next 4, next 5, 6, 7. So next you can multiply these all. 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12. 12 is also a factor. Then you multiply 1 number, 2 number, 3 numbers, and you can see. And this steps also you can write there. Those are all the factors of 84. So let's see 3 more examples. And then we start with the prime factors. Third problem is 324. So write all the factors of 324. So how do you find this children? Which method is easy? Division method, right? So let's do like this here. 324. So now start your number with a small digit number. Small number. Let's see here. Is 2 is a multiple of this number? Yes, it might be. Look here. 2 1s are 2. Right? So here in 3 if you remove 2, 1 will be left. That 1 you carry here. That is 12. So here try to understand here children how to do this type of division. 2 ones are 2. Okay, 1 is left here. So this one you are going to take it as 12. So now 2 table where you get 12, 2 6 here. 12, 2 2s are 4. Okay, now this one. So again, which table? Same 2 table I can take here. 2. 1 you cannot get. Then 16. Yes, it is a multiple. Where you get here, children? 2 8s are 16. 2 1s are 2. Now 2 table we cannot divide. So what you are going to do here? Next table you see 3 table. How do you get here? 3 2s are 6. So in 8, if you remove 6, what will be left? 2, right? So that 2 you carry to the other side. That is 21. Just understand here, children. No need of writing those all also. 3 2s are 6. 2 will be left here. This 2 and 1 becomes 21. So in 3 table, where do you get 21 here? 3 7s are 21. Now again, 3 table, you'll get this 27. Where? 3 9s are 27. Then 3 3s are 9. And 3 1s are 3. Now children, write the factors of this number. What are all the factors? You write here. Factors of 324 is equal to, say me all the factors here, children. 1 and next. Is there any way 2? Yes. Is there any way 3? Yes. 4. 4 not there, but 2 into 2 is 4, no? So I can write it as 4 is a factor. Then 5, no 5. 6. 3 2s are 6. Like this we have to see factors, children. Then 7, there? Not there. 8. 2 2s are 4 only there. 8 we don't have. No 8. 9. Yes. 3 3s are 9. Then 10. No 10. 11. Like this we need to observe when we are writing all the factors for a number. So now still what do you have here, children? 9. Okay. Then write these all you can write, or 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12 you can write. And still what you can write here, children? Any 2 numbers, 3 numbers you multiply and check out. 3 3s are 9, 9 already there. 9 3s are 27. Then 27 3s are, it will be 81. 81 2s are 162 and 324. See here, children, these are all the factors of 324. What do you mean by 324 factors here, children? All the multiples are the number where we can divide with that factor. Any number is divisible by any other number. That number is called as a factor of the number. So here, let's see one more example here, children. What is another example here? 400. Let's do the division part here. Then which table we start here? 2 table. So 2 2s are 4. 0. Directly you can write of 0. Then again 2 hundreds are 200. Then 2 5s are 10. 0. 2 2s are 4. 1 will be left. That will be carried here. 10. 2 5s are 10. Then which table, children? 5 5s are 25. 5 1s are 5. Like this you find. Now write the factors of 400 here. What are all the factors? Factors of 400 is equal to 1 is a factor of every number, and then 2, 3 not there. Check it out carefully. 4 not there. Yes, there. 2 2s are 4. So no need of writing into. Then 5, 6 children, 2 2s are 4, and you don't have any 3 to multiply to, you'll get 6. So 6 is not a factor. 7 not a factor. 8, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 you are getting. Then again 4 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. So 16 is also a factor. So then still what do you have here? 5 5s are 25. Then after multiplying this, directly write this. 25, 50, 100, 200 and 400. See here children, these are all the factors of 400. So the method what we do is a division method we have found. So now children, we are going to discuss about prime factors. What do you mean by prime factors? What we have done, the same thing we do with only prime numbers. We know about what are prime and composite, right? So when you are doing any division, you are going to consider only prime number. So let's see here what we have done. Yes, in this division we have taken only prime numbers. 2 and 3 are prime numbers. No other number should be taken here. So if you want, you can take here 9. Just I am saying here children, when you are doing division, directly 9 table, 9 ones are 9, you can take in normal factor method. But whereas in prime factor method, you should not take 9. 9 is not a prime number. We have to consider only prime numbers and we have to do this. Okay, so this I can say this is also a prime factors. Now look over the next example here. Here also same manner. If you want, you can write normally 25 ones you can write. But whereas in prime factorization, we should not use 25. So for that purpose, try to learn your division by small numbers only. Don't try to go for big numbers. Okay. So now prime factorization of 400 also you are going to get the same thing. What are these numbers here? But this answer differs children. See here the factors of 400, this one. Only prime factors if they ask you the question. Look here, prime, what is prime factors? Or a method of doing this is called as a prime factorization. So look here, how do you do this? Prime factors, same number, same division you are going to do. There is no change. But while you are writing factors, prime factors of 400 are 2, 5, 5. Like this you have written, right? 1 also. But here no need of writing these many times 2. Okay, and no need of writing these many times 5. So how to write this? So you can write this as 1, 2, 5 are the prime factors of 400. 1, 2, 5 and 400 is not a prime number now, so I am not going to consider that 400. So look over here, other numbers are all composite numbers other than these. So, what are the prime factors of 400 children? 1, 2 and 5 are the prime factors. So, now, how do you write this number? How do you split this number in the form of a prime factors? Only these 3 numbers, I won't get a multiple of 400. So, when you write any factors, if you multiply, you are going to get this number. So, how do you get the here? So look here, what are all the factors here? Check out here. 1, 2, 3, 4 times 2 is there in this division. So how do you write this? 2 power 4. Okay, how do you write this children? In the form of power. 2 is multiplied 4 times. That you can represent in the form of 2 power 4. This is called as a power and this is called as a base. So now into 5, how many times it is represented? 2 times. Okay, so this is the way we write the prime factors of a number. Only factors as you can just say 1, 2 and 5 are the prime factors. Okay, split the number in the form of prime factors if they ask. You have to write like this, multiple. See here children, these type of example we have learnt only how to write the factors of a number. See all the multiples of this number with all the tables, with which table it is multiplied, we have written here, and we said those are all the factors of these numbers. But whereas coming to prime factors, when the question arises only prime factor, only prime numbers you should multiply and split that number. Factors is nothing but the splitting of a number. Given number you have to split and write, children. Okay, with this we are going to end this session here. Next session we are going to continue with the HCF. What do you mean by HCF, children? Highest common factor. We are going to learn in our next class. Thank you, children.